Distance 1.89 miles. Average pace 21 minutes 10 seconds per mile.
Now you know what I'm doing. I'm out walking this morning. We're in Cave City, which is really close to the entrance of Mammoth Cave Parks. And we're going to get up and see like one of the early morning cave tours. And then we're going to go on to St. Louis. So I'm just out trying to squeeze in some exercise because my backpack is coming up really quick. And I could definitely be more ready for it than I am, so gotta get busy with my training. But I'm walking through Cave City. I just walked through town. It's this cute, sleepy little town. It's definitely pretty. There's a lot of birds out. Love how green it is around here. So yeah, today Mammoth Caves, and then after that we're off to St. Louis to see relatives for dinner. There's a lot of antique stores in Cave City too. Lots. He's like, get away from me. Aw, you guys are cute. I wish I had treats. No, I don't have treats. I should have brought carrots. What? What are you doing? Ready for caves?
Yes. Always ready for caves.
About 3/4 of a mile inside the cave. Now there's going to be about 500 stairs as well. Now when we first head into the cave, we are immediately descending 280 stairs down. Okay, as we're going down all those stairs, please keep in mind that there are going to be heights. So if you do have a fear of heights, maybe don't look over the side of the railing because you're looking pretty far down.
Okay.
Trouble walking long distances, climbing stairs, or other health concerns, please consider your limitations. Evacuation from the cave will take several hours. Once again, we are in the middle of nowhere, going into a hole in the ground.
There's Katie. There he is. Ah, we're going to the cave. So this is the cave entrance. It looks like a bunker. It's awesome. Hey, I'm an old lady. I can be slow. This walkway, it's so rough.
What do you think of the cave?
I like the line of
So cool, literally. The ranger just gave us a little talk, and she was telling us that this is the longest cave in the world, 412 known explored miles. And right now we're 250 feet below the Earth's surface. She turned out the light. It's total darkness and total silence. It was pretty amazing.
Okay, this is called candle smoke writing. This was very popular back in the day. So people would come in with candles and dot by dot, and hold them up, dot by dot, write their name or their message, whatever it was that they wanted to put up there.
So the ranger was telling us that the park was formed in 1941 and that the Conservation Corps built all the trails in here out of basically rock that they broke up in the cave and pounded down into gravel, and then they took some cave dirt and basically put that over the gravel, and that's what we're walking on today, and it's lasted all those years. She said that there were 600 farm families that used to live up above the cave that had to be relocated to make this a national park. So the Park Service bought up all the land, enabling those families to move, and they built the trails, and that's how we got the park today.
So I just want to point out a couple of things real quick. So we have some soda straws up here. They're hollow.
Well, Kitty, it's good for getting a workout before sitting for 5 hours in the car, yeah? Oh, wow. Look at the ceiling. So what do you think of this cave? That's the leak in the ceiling.
So I mentioned at the beginning that I have a little creepy crawly creature climbing around on my face. So that would be the cave crickets. Yeah, we are surrounded by tons and tons of cave crickets. Now the cave crickets are really important to the ecosystem.
Ta-da! Thank you. All right, Kitty, what'd you think?
Nice.
I thought it was pretty interesting.
Cave crickets, yikes.
You know, it's not as full of the stalactites and stalagmites as I might have expected. It was more dry, but it was interesting, the whole craggy, small formations. I've never been through a cave like that. So, it was interesting.
All right.
Now we're headed back to the bus. I wore the wrong shoes.
Exciting.